Krishna, welcome to Satvik Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you a very special lunch box which I got it from ISKCON. This lunch box had the complete meal. So this is Masala Bhaji or a green pepper pakoda. I also got the Biryani or vegetable pulao. It looked very colorful and when I went to the kitchen, near the kitchen, I could smell the biryani from maybe like 2 miles away. It was very aromatic. And this Masala Bhaji also, it looked very big and hot, and when it was packed it was very crispy and warm and puffy. Now it has been flattened because of the package. And same thing, I got a couple of puris, and the puris were big and puffy and it was crispy, but it got flattened in the package. And the side dish which I got is the cauliflower and aloo, that is potato curry. This goes very well with the biryani and the puri. So it was like a complete feast. I also got a piece of eggless cake. Eggless cake is very famous in ISKCON temples. If you happen to live near the place where there is an ISKCON center, please don't forget to visit the ISKCON temples on Sundays, and don't forget to check out the Sunday feast schedule. If you attend the Sunday feast, you would never want to miss that, because that's one of the program where I got attracted and started going to the temple every Sunday, at least to eat and socialize with children and devotees. It was a very great start for me. And I also got another package for dinner, so I get to enjoy the prasadam. Hope you can do that too. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.